let's talk about the influence of war and politics on the Ikwerre identity. While historical and linguistic evidence strongly suggests that Ikwerre are part of the Igbo ethnic group, political and economic factors have contributed to the perception of a separate identity. Before the Nigerian Civil War of 1967 to 1970, the Ikwerre were politically linked to the larger Igbo-speaking region. However, the war and its aftermath changed this drastically. During the war, the Bight of Biafra, now called the Bight of Bonny, was Biafra's only access to the Atlantic Ocean, and the Port Harcourt Ikwerre land was Biafra's main oil-producing region. Because of this strategic and economic importance of the Bight of Biafra, the government sought to separate the Ikwerre from the larger Igbo population, encouraging them to adopt a distinct identity. After the fall of Port Harcourt on May 19, 1968, many Ikwerre people suffered mass displacement, starvation, and violence. Some of them felt betrayed by the Biafran leadership, believing that the Igbo elites had put them in the harmful way. This psychological trauma, combined with the creation of Rivers State in 1967, further politically separated the Ikwerre from the Igbo land. Over time, this narrative took hold, and many Ikwerre people began identifying as a separate ethnic group rather than part of the larger Igbo nation.